Hello everyone, welcome back to the Loony Bin. My name is Loony. It's time for VTuber Reaction Sunday, and we're gonna look at a very funny and amazing incident that happened in Hollow GTA. But this time we're gonna watch a all point of view, because it involved a lot of the Hollow Live girls getting completely blasted by this. But we're gonna be watching a all point of view of the Iroha helicopter incident. I saw some of it, or I saw most of it from the other compilations I did, but this time we're going to look at every single person's point of view, so this should be fun. Also, just want to say I apologize for the little cough that I might be doing during this recording. Let's just say there's a lot that happened today, so please please excuse my cough sometimes. But this is a compilation of our barbecue pasta. Definitely go and give them a subscription. They're almost at 40k, so definitely help them get to 40k. And like the video, support the channel, and definitely, you know, give them a big old view. So, but thank you again for watching my reaction, and let us begin. Alrighty, let us begin.
Hi, baby bird.
Iroha, the culprit.
誰か薬物のとこいる。
ちょっと見てくるか。バグっちゃっ。いやー。すいません、出したら。あ、すいません。
イロハがヘリで墜落しました。武器と
Oh man, poor Iroha. She definitely didn't do any of that on purpose, but it's just oh god, the way it all started. I guess she just spawned a helicopter there, and I guess she didn't realize that it would spawn exactly in possibly the worst place possible, because the helicopter blades were hitting against the wall. I feel so bad for her, because she definitely did not mean to do that, but like, just everyone just coming out and just trying to get to their cars, because, you know, their cars were in danger, and there was only just the chain reaction of the explosions. Oh god. Woo!
Okay now, Grandma. Oh! 何が起きた？何？え？は？来たの？ああ！
Oh no, she's on fire. Oh, it's not her on fire. It's Iris.
Hi, Iris. Hi.
I didn't think it would explode every single car.
I know.
I mean, to be fair, fire, gasoline. It's not a combination that mixes well. I mean, it's also GTA. Like, you know, like GTA is one of those games where, like, if a car starts getting any sort of fire on it, it explodes, because I guess that's how it's programmed. But still, like, come on. Once a fire starts and you're surrounded by things that have gasoline, it's not a great combo. It's not a good combo. But I did not see that Bibu was flown by the whole explosion of the cars. I knew Iris was, but I didn't realize Bibu too.
Oh no! What? No, my car! What the I don't think this was a gang attack. Hey, Ian, are you free? No, Ian is busy. I ran to my car because I love my car. My car is done for.
Aww.
No, I worked so hard to upgrade that car. I should have put it away. Alright, here's my theory. The medics planned this. The medics planned this to happen so that they could make a quick buck off of all of us. But that one part where Miko's running on fire. Oh, it hurts. Oh.
Okay. Great conspiracy theory, but no, it was just Iroha trying to do something good, trying to do her job, and she just completely messed up. She spawned the helicopter in the wrong place possible, and it just caused a chain reaction. I do feel bad for Callie because, as she said, she upgraded her car, so that kind of does suck. That her car was just totally destroyed because of Iroha's accident. But also her running out to try to save her car. You should never be anywhere near a car that's near fire. That is not a good match, even if you're trying to save it. Even if you're trying to save your car, it's still not a good idea. It's a good thing she wasn't in the car. Granted, it probably will wind up in a very similar situation, but like, although, if she upgrades her car, doesn't that mean that when she goes in for repair, the upgrades are still there, or does she have to start brand new if the car is destroyed? I don't know. I don't know if that's how that works in GTA. Oh no! Wow. Oh.
Iris! I'll heal you first!
No! No, Ina! No!
First, and it'll be better to save everyone around here. Oh, someone took out the helicopter that blew up all the
Poor Ina, though. Like, poor Ina. Like, she's the only one left to be like the medic for this, and she's trying to do her job. She's healing. She's being a good nurse, good doctor. And then all of a sudden she just sees messages after messages of just people dying, people exploding. It's just like, what is going on? I cannot imagine what it's like working at like a hospital or as a nurse or as a doctor when something like a huge incident happens and they're constantly getting patients in. They have to work 24/7 on the clock, just keep running, just keep doing all this. Like what happened in 2020, all those doctors and, you know, first responders. God, I cannot imagine being like in a situation like that. Like the amount of panic, the amount of stress it could put on, and you know, just like it just kind of felt like that, even though it didn't feel like probably what, you know, all those great doctors and nurses and specialists were getting involved in, you know, the real world. But like, god damn, I feel so bad for you. Okay, I'm not a doctor. I'm not a medical field, but I'm pretty sure if you're a doctor, you do not run towards the cars that are about to explode because you are the person that needs to stay alive the most. Because you're supposed to be the one taking care of the patients. I don't think you're supposed to be walking towards it. So Iris, terrible work. Fucking Miko.
I didn't think it was Hi, Irish. Hi, Beaver. I didn't think it would ever explode every single car in this vicinity. Irish. Can you see me? Yes, can you see me first? Thank you.
Amazing. Oh, Canada. I'm surprised Subaru didn't blame Canada for this.
何が起きたどうしたの
That does not surprise me that Canada doesn't actually go and investigate and get involved. Granted, it's a smart decision to make, but like, I'm not surprised.
Explode every single car in the different. 見つけたんだけど。何が起きた？どうしたの？
Oh, Dancho. You just had to run towards the blazing car. Your strength wasn't enough to match against a exploding car. Oh, there's Subaru. Like I said, I'm surprised Subaru didn't blame Canada for this. Canada.
I have no idea.
Narissa? I didn't even know she was there.
Oh,
Narissa, you're injured. Don't go there. What are you doing? You're injured. Well, she's smart. She didn't actually go in there. Okay, good, because you're injured. You don't wanna get more injured and pay a lot more money to the corrupt medical doctors.
who would do
She's just
such
walking
a
away.
thing? Who would do such a thing?
Oh, there's Subaru.
武器と爆発時のない何なんでこ
This is the perfect representation of the Hollow Police Force. Subaru being the police director, trying to get everything organized, and her fellow officers do nothing but create chaos. This is the perfect image, the perfect still example of what it was like for Subaru for Hollow Police and Hollow GTA. This is a perfect representation. Subaru trying to be the greatest, duck cop in the world, but she has subordinates who just cause chaos. And she cannot deal with all this chaos. This is a perfect representation of the whole thing.
なんでこんなことに。やばいやばい。
それもう何かも2052だ。
Oh, what the man?
ガレージでヘリコプター事故。うちの車も燃えちゃうよ。
Oh. Man, poor Watama and Callie. They both got new cars. They upgraded the cars. They just repaired it, and this happened. Oh, man. I wonder if they sent Iroha the bill. I would not be surprised if they did. Maybe they have insurance. I don't know. I don't know if insurance has it. The only point of view it seems like we didn't get was Miko's. I wonder if Miko wasn't like streaming during this incident. I could be wrong, but we didn't see Miko's point of view, so I'm assuming that Miko did not stream this. That she was there because she was like an admin, like a mod, you know, who's just making sure everything's going well with the server and stuff like that. Maybe that's why. But like, maybe we already seen enough. Maybe I did see it. I don't remember, but maybe we did see Miko's point of view. Maybe I saw it in a different compilation. But it was strange that I wasn't here. But we saw what happened. Miko's was set on fire because she. This is what happens when you laugh, Miko, and then all of a sudden you're set on fire because you think everyone else's pain and suffering is funny. Karma. But that was great. It was fun seeing multiple point of views of this. So that was a lot of fun. Thank you so much for watching my reaction. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys on the next VTuber reaction on Wednesday. All right? Take care, everyone, and I'll see you guys later.